Hey guys, what up? It's Elias here one more time with the Yes Do It team, and in this video we're going to be covering a topic very important as well, and it's about why we need to have a focus on our personal brand. Personal branding is also the topic that we're going to be covering through the whole week. This is actually the third video, and we have, I think, 3 more missing to complete the whole subject. And basically why we're doing this is because this is the first step when it comes to building a personal brand. And I'm sorry I said building because, again, you cannot build a personal brand. Whenever we say build, it means that you can go from step 1 to step 10 or step 20 or whatever, but from point 0 to end and you're done with it. And that's not the way personal branding works. It's a little bit different. You actually have to develop it over time and become better at it every time. So with that being said, we are going to be talking about why is it important to have a focus. I don't know if you know this, but I have told you guys in my previous videos that I myself am a software developer. I'm a software engineer, and that's what I've been doing for the past 10 years or something. Actually, to the day, I still run software development projects, and I don't actually code so much anymore, but I still keep, in touch and involved with that industry. So, because I know about programming, because I know about software development, I could be jumping from one thing to the other every single day. Like today I could be telling you guys, oh, you should do Forex because Forex is gonna make you millions and millions, you should be trading, or buy Bitcoin because it's so easy.
Just go ahead and take here and here and here, and then you're gonna make yourself a lot of cash.
But that's definitely not what I want us to do here. If you're doing internet marketing, stick to it. If you're doing cryptocurrency, stick to it. If you're doing, financial investment, stick to it. But don't be jumping from one to another, because people will trust you because of what you can prove that you know of. But if you cannot prove that you know actually from the subject that you're talking about, then why would we even be listening to you? What will your audience be taking their time to actually listen to you if they don't have anything valuable to be hearing, to be listening to be consuming, basically? So my message here is make sure to have a focus. Don't you be jumping from subject to subject. People, like I said in the previous video, people can smell BS from miles away, and if they can smell your BS, then you're going to be losing audience instead of increasing it, which is what we're doing here. So say you're doing electrical vehicles, say you're doing mechanics, it doesn't matter. I could be doing robotics, but I want to stick to internet marketing because that's what I think is more profitable for me. That's where I enjoy the most, and this is what I want to give you guys information about. But you can definitely expect that I'm not going to be jumping from cryptocurrency, like I said before, trading markets, software development, e-commerce. It's not going to be all those topics. It's going to be related to internet marketing, and this week specifically on how to develop your personal brand and why is it so important. So to get a little bit off course, if you are starting on your personal brand, or if you know someone that is starting on this journey, make sure to tag him on the comments so that they can walk the path with us, and we can all pretty much help each other and learn from each other's experiences. So that's it for today's video. I wanted us to talk about that, about focus. And it's so important to have focus, not only in your personal brand, but pretty much for every single thing in your life. I'm gonna end up this video with a little productivity hack based on focus too. And that productivity hack is whenever you're sitting down in your computer and you have tons of stuff to do, don't just go ahead and start opening tabs like crazy, because that's what we tend to do. We go ahead and open up every single thing, every single notification that gets to us, and whenever we have the browser filled with tabs, we're like, oh my gosh, this is too much, and we completely lose that focus that we need to have in order to get the job done, to get work done. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you know someone that is involved in personal branding, comment them and tag them on the comment section so that we can learn from them and they can learn from us as well. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.